To check for a small or large string, you will need to first sort the list of numbers in the array. Use the sort method on the array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? What did I say? There isn't even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, no. I'm so high. Anyways, um, use the sort method on the array and sort, and pass in a callback function. For the callback function, use a and b as the parameters and implicitly return a minus b. Therefore, we don't need this curly braces and would just automatically return the operation of of a minus b. And we should have assigned this to the result, or this result should be assigned to a variable called sorted numbers array. Nice.